this is Shilpa. Welcome to Shilpa Tally online class. Today I am going to explain the creation of purchase voucher. First, for creation of purchase voucher, we have to go to the open the Tally software. There it's already KP companies created. For transactions, in that we have to go to the accounting voucher F9 for purchase voucher. Here shortcut keys are visible. See F9 for purchase, F8 for sales, F6 for receipt, F5 for payment. So first I am going to create a purchase voucher. Purchases means whatever the goods you are purchased for your company, either by cash or by through the bank or through the partners. Partners means for purchases we have to take it as sundry creditors. Okay, so now I am going to explain the creation of purchase voucher through cash also, through the bank also, and through the party also. See, first I am going to explain the creation of purchase voucher through the cash. The invoice number you can give 101, party name, this cash will come automatically, so I am selecting cash. Here purchase ledger means we have to create one ledger with the name of purchases. So here purchase ledger is not there, so I have to create newly with the shortcut key of Alt C, purchases under purchase accounts. Okay, now name of item also not there. Now I am going to create the name of item with the shortcut key of Alt C. See, for example, I am taking Sony. Sony comes under music system. Sony, Alt C, music system. Should quantity of items to be added? Yes. Okay, it is to be measured in numbers or pieces with the shortcut key of Alt C, numbers, NUMBERS. Now quantity, rate, value. Now another one I have to create with the shortcut key of Alt C, Motorola. Alt C, it comes under cell phone, should quantity of items to be added? Yes, it is to be measured in numbers. So quantity, rate, value. So narration you can give as being goods purchased by cash. Being goods purchased by cash means I am purchasing the goods through the cash. One is over. Now if you are purchasing the goods through the check, the purchase invoice number you can give 1 or 2, party account name. Here I am purchasing through the check, so I am giving the name of the bank. It comes under SBM under bank account. So the purchases is already there, selected some the same thing. Again you can take the same items, Motorola, another one Sony. Being goods purchased through check. Here instrument number is nothing but you can give check number. Being goods purchased through check, through check or bank. Okay, now third one, if you are purchasing through the party. Purchasing through the party means I have to give the invoice number 103. You have to create party, Alt C. See, for example, KP company is my company. I am purchasing goods from another company like MM & Company as a sundry creditor. Sundry creditor means one who gives. He is giving goods to me. Okay, so purchases. Now you can take the same stock item. Otherwise, if you want to create, you can create new also with the shortcut key of Alt C. I am selecting the same old items only. Being goods purchased through new reference. Being goods purchased through MM & Company. Means here MM Company is the sundry creditor. He is giving goods to us. Okay, so this is the creation of purchase voucher. Okay, now whatever the voucher we have done, everything we can see in the display here. In reports you are finding display, enter. In daybook, whatever the vouchers you have done, all the voucher you can find out. Okay, if you want to alter, select it. See, for example, alteration. Now I am going to alter. See, whatever the quantity I have given 250, I am giving as 500. Just I am altering. Now this is alteration. Okay, now if you want to go and enter, you will get 500 here. Okay, now if you want to delete, again go to the display daybook, press Alt D. Okay, Alt D, yes. Okay, so this is the creation of purchase voucher, alteration and deletion. Okay, so if you like this video, please share it, subscribe it and comment it. Thank you.